Welcome to Localize. The in-context editor is the best way to view and edit translations in your website in real time. To get to the in-context editor, click on the in-context editor item in the Phrases menu. Your website should be automatically loaded into the editor. Or you can enter the project URL in the editor's address bar. Once your website is loaded in the editor, you can single-click on a phrase to open up the translation modal on the left bar. Select the language that you are translating, then click Add Translation to add a translation to the phrase. Then click Publish when you're ready to translate the next phrase. Here we see that the translation has been added to the page. To edit an existing translation, single-click on another phrase from the editor and then click the Edit button for that translation and make your changes. Note that double-clicking on a link in your website will bring you to that page from within the editor. By providing translators with a visual context as to how your phrases actually appear on your website, you will find that the in-context editor is an easy tool to shorten the time it takes to translate your content and reduce the overall cost of translation.